Hey everybody, it's Tiffany here. Sorry I haven't posted in a while or for my vlog. So for a video today I thought, well, I'll show you how I do my hair because I get a lot of comments on it. And I just want to show you all the process, the products that I use, and how it's all done. So we're in my bathroom today and I want to show you the shampoo and conditioner I've been using. It is the Herbal Essences Bio Renew Real Botanicals. It is paraben free, it has 0% silicone. I always try to go with something that's like paraben or sulfate free, you know, something more on the natural side because parabens and sulfates make my hair like really heavy. I was using this brand, it's called OGX, and I do like the coconut milk. They also have one that's coconut curls. There's also like a tea tree one. They have a bunch of different scents and different types for different types of hair. I do recommend the coconut curls if you do have curly hair. It's really good, it's not heavy. It is also sulfate and paraben free. But I changed to the Herbal Essences because my hair just needed a little bit of a change. It gets used to, you know, shampoo and conditioner of one brand after a while. And it's just good to change it up and find something else that works. But I do really like the OGX. If I had to, I would continue using it. So I'm gonna get to washing my hair and I'll show you what it looks like after. So after I've washed it, I usually go through like my normal routine of like, you know, brushing my teeth, you know, normal human being stuff. And I leave it up in the towel for a little while to get some of the extra moisture out of it. But this is what it looks like after it's been washed. And now I'm going to show you what it looks like when I actually do my hair. And I'll show you the products that I use as well. So that's what my hair looks like after it's been brushed. I do brush my curly hair, and I know a lot of people don't, but I have to. It just gets way too tangled to deal with, and I do shed a lot, so brushing helps getting the loose hairs out that just want to come out. These are the products that I use. They do work really well. The Garnier Fructis Style Curl Sculpt Conditioning Cream Gel, and that's to keep my hair from being like real frizzy. Moroccan oil is also a really good choice for curly hair and to keep it from being real frizzy. The next one is the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Mousse. This one I have used forever, and I have changed mousses over the years, but this is one of the ones that I really like. And by far the Tresemme Hairspray is the best hairspray that I've found for my type of hair. It does give it a crunchy feeling at first, but after the hairspray dries, your hair won't feel crunchy. It'll actually be pretty soft. I don't use them in the order that they're shown, but I'm gonna show you how I use them and how they help my hair. So let me show you how I use these products in my hair. I'm gonna start with this anti-frizz cream. And I'm gonna use probably about a nickel or a quarter-sized amount. It doesn't take a whole lot. And I started like maybe toward the middle, toward the ends of my hair with this. And I just run my fingers through it, or through my hair. And then I'll put some at the top. Because let's face it, curly hair just gets frizzy all over. And then for the mousse, I'll probably use about a ping pong ball sized amount, if that makes sense. And I'll start at the top of my hair with this one. Just kind of rub it in there. And then any excess, I'll just put kind of, I don't like to say scrunch, because you really don't want to scrunch curly hair. It can damage it. I kind of just fluff it in there, because after this I'm going to blow dry it. I do blow dry my hair with my head flipped over or upside down. I find that it helps to give it more volume, and it does help me get all of my hair all over. I dry it on a higher heat at a lower setting until the hair gets to about 50% dry, and then I'll turn up the setting and dry it at like a faster speed, if that makes sense. I did see a tutorial on YouTube from a hairdresser that said if you dry your roots on a colder setting, it will help it keep its volume. And so I've been trying that lately, and I think I really like it. But just try to let your hair take its natural form while you're drying it. You don't have to do like a bunch of scrunching. I fluff mine around just to move around the hairs and get them as dry as, you know, I can, but I don't like to dry it all the way. So this is what it looks like after hitting it with the hair dryer for about 2 or 3 minutes. Some of it is still damp, but I prefer to leave it that way just because it lets it dry more in its natural form. And then I'm gonna hit it with some hairspray. Now it will calm down a little bit. It's got a lot of volume in it right now just from being dried with the blow dryer and from me fluffing it around, but it'll calm down a little bit. Everybody's curly hair is different, so I can't say that you'll get this exact result, but I'll show you in a little bit what it looks like when it's calmed down, and which is what you usually see like in my pictures and stuff. This is what my hair looks like after it's calmed down for a little bit. I've kind of flipped it over to the side because that's how I like to wear it, and it does help it stay out of my face. I kind of flip it just to one side or the other because it kind of has a mind of its own, and I don't have a specific part in my hair. It just kind of does whatever. It is not crunchy at all. I can play with it. I can kind of just do whatever. It is still a little bit damp, but like I said before, I like to let it dry somewhat naturally. I don't like to get it completely dry because then I don't have as much freedom with it. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, please, and just share it with anybody who might enjoy it.